Did you know most car engines don't die because of age? They die because of neglect? The sad truth is, the majority of cars on the road today won't see 100,000 miles, but the few that do things differently often cross 400,000, even 500,000 miles with their engines still running like new. And the secret isn't some expensive rebuild or magic additive. It all comes down to how you handle something as basic as an oil change. In this video, I'm going to reveal the oil change tricks that mechanics rarely tell you, but which can literally add decades of life to your engine. Stick with me until the end, because I'll also give you a bonus hack that eliminates one of the most damaging moments in your engine's life. Let's dive in. Trick number 1. Warm up the engine before draining. Changing your oil when the engine is cold is like trying to drain syrup from a bottle on a winter morning. Most of it just sticks inside. That leftover sludge mixes with your fresh oil and immediately contaminates it. But if you let your engine run for 5 to 10 minutes first, the oil thins out and flows like water, carrying with it all the microscopic metal shavings, soot, and burnt deposits that otherwise would have stayed behind. Do this every single oil change, and you'll reduce sludge buildup dramatically, which is why engines maintained this way often survive well past the 500,000-mile mark. Trick number 2. Always replace the crush washer and clean the drain plug. Most drivers don't even know what a crush washer is, but it's the tiny metal ring on your oil drain plug that creates a perfect seal. After one use, it flattens and loses its sealing ability. Mechanics often reuse them to save time, but that leads to slow leaks and oil starvation, which can kill an engine over the years. On top of that, many drain plugs are magnetic that are designed to catch metal particles floating in your oil. If you never wipe those clean, those shavings get dumped right back into your fresh oil. It's like brushing your teeth every day, but never cleaning your toothbrush. Replacing the crush washer and cleaning the drain plug takes just a minute, but it prevents leaks, keeps the oil system clean, and protects your bearings. Trick number 3. Top off with the same oil brand and type. Topping off oil is normal when levels drop between changes, but mixing different brands or viscosities is a hidden engine killer. Oils may meet the same grade on paper, but their additive packages are different and can clash, that reduce the oil's protective ability. Sticking with the same brand, same type, and same viscosity keeps the additive chemistry stable, ensuring maximum wear protection. For example, if you're running Mobil 15W30, always top off with Mobil 15W30, not just any 5W30. It's like using the same set of vitamins consistently instead of randomly mixing supplements. This small discipline keeps your oil film strong and your engine friction-free, which is a huge reason some engines run smoothly past 500,000 miles. Trick number 4. Change oil earlier than the maximum interval. Yes, modern oils can claim 10,000 to 15,000 miles of protection, but waiting until the very maximum is like walking on a tightrope. By changing your oil earlier, such as every 5,000 miles with synthetic, you build in a safety buffer. Think of it like replacing your phone battery at 30% instead of risking it shutting off at 1%. Fresh oil means fresh detergents, fresh additives, and maximum film strength. Over hundreds of thousands of miles, this habit drastically reduces wear. Many high-mileage Toyota, Honda, and Ford owners who hit 500,000 miles swear by never stretching intervals, and that's why their engines still purr like new. Trick number 5. Flush the engine safely before draining the oil. Instead of just draining the oil, you can do a safe pre-flush to remove stubborn sludge and varnish. One simple method is to add half a quart of fresh oil right before draining. In this way, the cleaner oil mixes with the dirty oil and helps flush more contaminants out. Some people even use dedicated engine flush additives, but you need to be cautious with those. The key is not to overdo it. Just a gentle rinse helps. It's similar to swishing water in your mouth before brushing your teeth. You're loosening debris so your oil system comes out cleaner. Engines that are flushed regularly before draining build far less sludge, which keeps oil channels clear and ensures bearings, cams, and pistons receive maximum lubrication for decades. That's a direct path to the 500,000-mile mark. Trick number 6. Capture and inspect old oil. Here's a trick very few people do. Catch the old oil in a clean drain pan and look at it closely before disposal. What color is it? How thin or thick? Do you see metallic sparkles under light? If yes, that's bearing wear. Smell it. Does it have a burnt odor? That could mean overheating. This simple inspection gives you an early warning system long before a mechanic would notice. It's like reading your engine's blood test. If you learn how to read these signs, you can fix small issues before they destroy the engine. Monitoring old oil is how you stay one step ahead, and it's a secret to pushing your engine far beyond the average lifespan. Trick number 7. Top off between oil changes. Many people wait until the next scheduled oil change to deal with low oil levels, but that's a silent killer. Even running half a quart low reduces oil pressure and circulation, meaning critical parts like the crankshaft and camshaft get less lubrication. Instead, make it a habit to check your dipstick every 1,000 miles and top off immediately when needed. This habit keeps your oil pressure stable and ensures constant lubrication. Think of it as drinking water throughout the day instead of waiting until you're dehydrated. Engines that are never run low on oil simply don't wear as fast. This trick alone can easily add 100,000 miles or more to your engine's life. Trick number 8. Use high-quality synthetic oil for maximum protection. Not all oils are created equal. High-quality full synthetic oils offer far better resistance to heat, oxidation, and breakdown compared to conventional or even semi-synthetic oils. They flow better at cold starts, which is when most engine wear actually happens. Plus, they maintain viscosity under extreme heat, protecting your turbo, pistons, and bearings when your engine is pushed hard. Using top-tier oils like Mobil 1, Amsoil, or Castrol Edge might cost more upfront. Engines that run exclusively on high-quality synthetics have cleaner internals, stronger compression, and far fewer failures. Over decades, this is one of the biggest reasons some engines last 500,000 miles without rebuilds. Trick number 9. Prime the oil filter before installing. When you install a new oil filter, it's completely dry inside. That means when you start the car after an oil change, the engine runs for several seconds without proper oil flow while the filter fills up. Those few seconds are when 80% of engine wear occurs. Metal parts grinding against each other with no lubrication. To avoid this, simply pour fresh oil into your new filter before installing it. That way, when you crank the engine, it already has a reservoir of oil ready to circulate instantly. It's such a simple step, yet most people ignore it. This little hack is one of the hidden secrets that separates engines that fail at 180,000 miles from the rare ones that last over 500,000 miles. Trick number 10. Keep the PCV system clean. During oil changes, your positive crankcase ventilation valve is often forgotten, but it plays a massive role in oil health. A clogged PCV system causes pressure buildup, which forces oil past seals and contaminates it with blow-by gases. This not only dirties your oil faster, but also leads to sludge formation. Checking or cleaning the PCV valve at every oil change keeps crankcase pressure under control and your oil cleaner for longer. It's like keeping your lungs clear. You breathe better. Engines with clean PCV systems stay far healthier internally and are much more likely to last well beyond 500,000 miles. Trick number 11. Fill the oil to the correct level. Most drivers underestimate how dangerous it is to overfill or underfill their oil. Running too low reduces oil pressure, which starving the bearings. Running too high causes the crankshaft to whip the oil into foam, which reduces lubrication and increases heat. Both situations can lead to catastrophic engine failure over time. Checking carefully and filling to the proper line, every oil change ensures your engine always runs with maximum protection, a habit shared by high-mileage car owners worldwide. So there you have it. The oil change tricks that aren't just about keeping your car running, but about unlocking legendary engine life. These are the habits that separate average cars from the ones that become legends. If you found these tips valuable, hit that like button, subscribe for more car-saving secrets, and let me know in the comments. What's the highest mileage you've ever seen on an engine?